Hey y'all, it's your girl Tamia here, and I am finally back with a brand new video for you guys today. So y'all, in today's video I'm going to be doing another Shein try on haul. The last Shein try on haul I did was back in December, and it was more of a winter edition. This one is just more of a random Shein haul. I was just feeling in the mood to buy some new clothes, so I bought some more clothes. Mainly in this haul I have clothes for work, so more like business casual type clothing, and then I also got a few pieces that are more like club like or just like going out clothes and stuff like that. I don't want to make this intro super duper long, so if y'all do enjoy this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel, which is linked in the down below. I'm not as active on YouTube as I was anymore, but I am kind of more active and social on my other platforms, so make sure y'all go and connect with me on those. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So as mentioned before, I got clothes that are more business casual like, and then I also got some clothes that are more suitable for clubbing and going out and stuff. So first I'm going to start with all of my business casual clothing. So y'all, the first item that I'm going to show y'all is just this really cute t-shirt dress. So this one is in the color black, and it's like just a cotton material, really comfortable. I've actually already worn this to work on like a Saturday. It's just a nice little quick dress to throw on, and you can dress it up really easily. I do like it because it has pockets here on the side, so I can like walk around, put my phone in there, put my AirPods in there, so that's really convenient. I do plan on ordering some more colors because they had a bunch of different colors on Shein. But yeah, this is a really cute little dress. So y'all, next I got another dress. This one is a little more dressy, so it has like these cute little ruffles on the side, and then the colors, it has like magenta, kind of like a periwinkle like blue, black, gray, and also like beige and white as well. I do have another dress in the closet that's exactly like this. It's the same like fit and style, it's just different color schemes. It does have like this little button here where you can like button it in the top, so it's just not open and showing like everything. So next I got a few t-shirts that I want to show y'all. So this first one is just a black graphic t-shirt, and for the graphic it just has these cute little planets and stars and like the moon and a cute little astronaut, like he's holding balloons basically. And I actually wore this when we had the solar eclipse last weekend, and that was freaking amazing, y'all. This is literally the reason why I bought the shirt. It's specifically for that day. So y'all, for the next t-shirt, it's just a plain white shirt, but in the middle it says love. It has like this cute little love graphic and a cute little heart there. This is just a nice little plain old shirt that you can just pair with some really cute like dressier style pants. So I thought the shirt was really cute. I got a bunch of these in my closet, and it's always convenient when you don't want to dress up but you want to dress up. So y'all, next I got three plain just fitted t-shirts. So I got three different colors. The first one isn't just this cute blue color, and I honestly thought it was gonna be like a dark navy blue, but this is the color that they sent. Maybe the color on the picture was just wrong or just not accurate. And then I also got one in the color white and the color black. I have like 20 of these black and white ones already. It's just nice to have a bunch. You never run out of a plain white t-shirt or a plain black t-shirt. Next I got another graphic t-shirt, but this one is in just a nice cute pink color. I really love this color pink. And then for the graphic it says love yourself, and it's kind of going down the middle, you know, just like every other shirt that I showed y'all thus far. You can dress it up with some nice little dressy pants, or you know, some nice little jeans. So yeah. So y'all, next I have some more shirts to show y'all, but these are not just like regular t-shirts. These are more like dressier blouses that I'm going to wear to work specifically. So for the first one, it's just this really nice blue and like a beige color, and it has this really cute pattern on it. The style of the shirt just has like a v-neck here, and then the sleeves are kind of cut off on the side, and it's giving, you know, big girl job vibes. So it's really cute to me. So next I have another nice cute blouse style shirt. So for this one, it's in this really cute color pattern, like color block pattern, if that makes sense. It has pink, a golden type yellow, baby pink, white, a light blue, a darker blue, and then also black in it. And I actually have a dress in my closet that's this exact same print. It's just in a dress, but yeah, it's just kind of similar to the last style shirt I showed y'all, but the sleeves are kind of like folded over, and it also kind of crops and, you know, stops, you know, not too far down, so you don't necessarily have to tuck it in. So y'all, for the next shirt, this is one of my favorite in this whole haul, just because it has a nice cute little collar at the top. It has like this beige color at the back, and then it has green, orange, black, and white as well. So just another one of those kind of weird looking cute patterns. So y'all, the next blouse is another really cute blouse. This one is a little more of a different style. So it has like this V-neck here that goes down in the front. I probably would have to wear an undershirt under this one, and then the sleeves are a little longer than some of the others. Yeah, it's just in a nice cute little pattern, and it has pink, black, and white for the colors. So y'all, this next shirt is the last blouse that I have to show y'all in this haul. It has more of a like oval round neck at the top, and then for the colors it's like a dark, or not a dark, but like a lighter type brown, golden yellow, pink, a darker blue, white, and then also a light blue. And I really like the pattern on this one as well, and also the color scheme is kind of different than some of the others. So y'all, next I'm gonna go into all of the bottoms that I bought at Shein. So most of the bottoms that I got are all like dressier work style pants, but I also got one pair of just kind of like everyday casual pants. For the first one, these are really cute like flare legged style pants, and the pattern is just like a black and white kind of checkerboard pattern. Just love the way these fit. I always kind of love like these bell bottom style pants, and they fit my figure really great. So these are one of my favorite pairs, and I really like them. Next, I got this really cute pair of khaki capri style pants, and they kind of have like these stitches going down the middle of the pants, but they fit really good. They are a little bit big in some spots, but that's okay because I'm starting to gain a little bit more weight, so they're gonna fit really good eventually. And I also love the color very much because khaki goes with just about anything, so I can wear these with a lot of different tops. So the next pair of pants that I got are another kind of flare style pant. So yep, and like I said, these are just in the color black, and they do have like a little zipper here on the side, so I don't have to struggle trying to put these on in the morning. They're super cute and just like a plain pair, but they go with a lot. So y'all, for the next pair of pants, this is another pair of pants that have a flare style leg on them, and I'm gonna be honest, the next pair is like that as well, so y'all stay tuned. These are just a black pair, but these are more a sailor style pant because they have the little gold buttons up here at the top. They also go with a lot of different stuff, and I do like the way that they fit. So y'all, as I mentioned in the last clip, these are also another pair of flare style jeans, but these are in a khaki color, and they also come with a belt. So you just tie the belt around in the front to make like a cute little bow. Honestly, I don't know if I'm going to keep these though, because they are flooding a little bit on me, and it costs an arm and a leg to get stuff, you know, fixed at the I don't even know what them people are called, the tailors or whatever. I might end up sending these back just because of that. So y'all, the last pair of pants that I'm going to show y'all in this haul are just these really cute cargo pants. So I don't know if y'all watched my last haul from December. I'm not even sure if I showed y'all those pants. I had these exact same ones in that haul. I just ended up ordering them way too big, so I went ahead and ordered a smaller size. Honestly, I should have waited because I didn't know that I was going to gain as much weight as I have gained, and these are kind of snug on me now that I ordered the medium. I honestly should have kept the large. Yeah, these are just a really cute pair of black cargo pants. They kind of fit baggy in the legs, and you know, you can wear these on just like a night to the club or something when you don't want to dress, you know, too revealing and stuff. So y'all, that was all of the business casual clothing that I had to show for the haul. Now I'm gonna go into all of the more clubbing style clothes that I got. So y'all, first I bought a bunch of different style crop tops that I'm gonna start wearing soon because it's starting to get hot outside and summer's around the corner. But first of all, I got this really cute cropped, this is not even a crop top. Honestly, I don't even know what to call this, y'all, but it's really just like a top that you put on with like another type of bralette type shirt or something like that. But like on the sleeves, it has all these little holes in it on each side, and it's definitely something that's more of like alternative style fashion. So for the next crop top, it's just another black top, of course, and this one has this cute little like keychain like thing here connecting it in the middle that's a butterfly. And then the rest of the shirt is kind of just like a I don't know, I guess more halter top style. But yeah, like I said, it's just in the color black, and it's a really cute style. Honestly, I don't know how to explain it. So y'all, this next top is basically a three-piece set. So first you have the crop top, and then it comes with these two sleeve pieces. So I really like the style because it crosses in the front, and it's more of like a halter style, and it just has the holes here on the side, and then on the sleeves it has the holes as well. So next I have this top that's more suitable for the club, I feel like, or like a concert or something like that. So it is like a pleather like material, and then it has like three little slits here in the front that are laced up. For the like top part, you just tie it, and in the back it has a zipper to zip it up with. I'm still kind of iffy about it. I don't know, I may end up sending it back because I feel like I probably won't ever wear it, but I don't know, we never know what's gonna happen this summer and stuff, so we'll see. So y'all, for the next top, this is another like pleather like material style top, except for this one it just zips up straight in the front. I really like the material and everything because it's also giving more of like a club concert like style shirt that, you know, I would pair that up with that kind of outfit. But yeah, it still is a very cute style shirt and I can't wait to wear it. So y'all, for this next item, this is not really a shirt, it's more of like a bralette, I guess you would say, and it has the chains at the bottom, so it's definitely giving alternative emo. Honestly, I don't know where I'm gonna wear this because I don't go to concerts, I don't really go to clubs and stuff, but I don't know, we'll figure it out. Okay y'all, so the next little crop top I got is this cute little graphic one. So this is just in the color white, or more of like an off-white to be honest. On the graphic it just has like a smiley face, but the eyes are X's and it's kind of like dripping down, and I really like the style how it's kind of like ripped here, right here in the front almost. So y'all, the last little crop top that I have to show y'all is just another little white color crop top. This one is more of an actual white color shirt, and then for the graphic on there it has like a skull, some cards, and some dice. Really nice if I'm going out to a club or something, you want to, you know, wear something that's a little bit more casual and not too dressy or fancy. So y'all, I actually lied, I have one more crop top to show y'all. This one is the one that I actually wore on Easter. So it just has 3 little crosses on it, and the crosses are made from rhinestones, so I really like that. But anyways, this is one of my favorite shirts, I love it, that's why I've already worn it. So y'all, the next thing I want to show y'all is just this really cute 2-piece set. So this one comes with a skirt and a little like bralette top. So for the skirt, it has a flame pattern made out of rhinestones, and then for the little bralette that comes with it, it has the rhinestone pattern on there as well. And the entire set is just in a nice black color, which is very great for me. So next I'm just going to show y'all a few bottoms that I got from Shein. First and foremost, I have this really cute skirt, which I actually had ordered and sent back, and then ordered another one because the first one I ordered was a medium and it was way too small, and this one actually is almost just as small, so I might end up sending this one back. I didn't even try it on for y'all, so I'm just going to insert a picture. So next I have another skirt, and this one is in that pleather like material again. I don't know really how I'm feeling about this skirt. Like, I like the fit, but honestly I don't know if I ever wear it anywhere. It is a super cute skirt, it's just in the black color, and it has like the stitching on the side, so you just stitch it up and tie it up at the bottom, and then it has a zipper at the back. It's more of like a pencil skirt style. So the next skirt that I have is actually a repurchase. I actually bought this skirt around the time of my birthday last year, and I made the big mistake of accidentally putting it in the dryer and all of the silver washed off of it. It's a really cute silver skirt, and it kind of has that stitching material on the side, and I just love the way this skirt fits. It is so freaking pretty to me. So this next bottom set isn't a skirt, these are actually some shorts. It is once again in that pleather like material, and it has that stitching down on the side and these little parts at the bottom where you can tie it up. But yeah, they're super cute and super good quality feeling, so I can't wait to wear these to possibly like the club or like a concert or something this summer. Okay y'all, so for the last clothing item I have to show y'all in this haul, it is just a really cute dress. I was gonna say skirt, but this is actually a dress, and it's in this nice metallic gray color. Now I didn't try this one on as well, just because at the top I'm still trying to figure out how to kind of fix it, but I did insert a picture so y'all can see how it looks on the model. But yeah, it's just a really cute dress. I can't wait to wear it to like the club or somewhere. So y'all, that was all the clothes that I had to show y'all in this Shein haul. There were a few other items that I got. Honestly, I just got another pair of black flats, which I think would be redundant to show y'all because I think I showed y'all in like my last few hauls. And then I also got a few pieces of jewelry. I got some more earrings because I go through these earrings like crazy. I also got a bunch of different little necklaces. So I got this chain here, and I didn't even realize I got this, y'all. This one's super cute, but it's just a silver necklace, and it has my angel numbers on it. So this one says 222. I don't know if y'all can see it. That is so freaking cute. I forgot I bought this. Oh my god, I gotta wear that soon. And then I also got a little gold necklace, and this one isn't like a heart, and this one is a cross. And then I also got this little set. It comes with like a bracelet and then a heart necklace in there. I got another little gold bracelet with a cross on it, a this necklace, and it's like a rose. And then I also got another little necklace with some butterflies. I think I have the same exact necklace sitting up on my jewelry stand. And then the last little piece of jewelry that I got from Shein is just a belly button ring, and this one is in like the shape of a snake. Hold on, I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah. So y'all, that was all for my Shein try on haul. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel, which is linked in there down below. And like I said at the beginning, make sure y'all follow me on all my social media and connect with me in other places. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye bye.
I'm trying to keep my swagger, but you're about to have me, girl. Jump through about 4 or 5 hoops of ooh, baby. Let's take it to the hood so the people can see it, girl. Oh yes, you're mean and vicious the way you're switching now.